everyone, and welcome back to the Organized Notebook. Apple just released Journal, which is a new journaling app built into your phone with the new iOS 17.2 update. We're really excited about this and wanted to show you around this app and share our thoughts. So let's dive right in. So if you've updated to the new iOS, you should be able to access the Journal app from your phone. And if we just open it up, you'll see a screen like this. And we feel like this is a very simple layout that's easy to use for journaling. And all you have to do is just click plus to add a new journal. And once you open it up, you'll see some moments to write about, which is a really nice feature. So it'll show you photo memories, as well as recent activities like walks. And it also gives you some prompts, which you can refresh by clicking on the refresh button so that you can kind of decide on what you want to write about. So let's just say that we want to reflect on describe someone in your life who you really appreciate but forget to thank. And if you want to add something here, you can either add photos, you can take photos, you can do a audio recording, you can even share a location, and we can just start writing. And once you finish that, you can click done. And it shows up like this, and you can actually bookmark it or edit it again later. And you can also add things like if you want to reflect on your walk, let's say you wanted to click here, you can just do start writing and it asks you, did this walk leave you feeling refreshed? So this is really nice because you can just log your activities automatically without having to really think about it. And you'll see it here like this. So this is a really nice way to journal. And if you click this button up here, you can filter it by reflections or places. And that's about it for this journal. So next, we actually wanted to show you also how to set up your settings if you first start using this journaling app. So if we go over to our settings, you can go ahead and scroll all the way down to the journal app, and then you can choose various things like whether or not you allow location, photos, and so on. And you can toggle on skip journaling suggestions if you'd like to go directly to journaling. You can also lock your journal. You can set a journaling schedule, which is nice as well, so that you can always remember when to journal. And you can save your media to photos. And one thing that we were confused by at first is that actually to get the automatic suggestions and your activity and stuff, you need to actually go to the privacy settings. So if we go to privacy settings, privacy and security, then you can find the journal app here, journaling suggestions. And if you click here, you can toggle on or off various aspects like activity, media, contacts, photos, significant locations. And these are what the journal app uses to give you suggestions on what to journal about. But if you don't feel comfortable, you can just toggle these off. So that's the basics of this journal app. We hope that this was useful for you. Let us know in the comments if you've already tried this app and what are your thoughts on it. And we hope to see you in the next one.